Could everything in the universe, every particle, every force be made of tiny, vibrating strings of energy? In just 3 minutes, we're diving into the fascinating story and science of string theory. Let's go! In the 1960s, scientists were deeply engrossed in the quest to explain the strong force, the mysterious glue that holds atomic nuclei together. This force was crucial in understanding the very fabric of matter, yet it remained elusive and enigmatic. Amidst this scientific fervor, Gabriele Veneziano stumbled upon an old mathematical formula, the Euler beta function. To his astonishment, this ancient formula seemed to perfectly describe the strong force, providing a mathematical framework that fit like a glove. But here's the twist. No one knew why it worked. The scientific community was baffled. How could an old, seemingly unrelated formula hold the key to such a fundamental force of nature? This mystery sparked intense curiosity and debate. Then, a breakthrough came. Researchers like Leonard Susskind began to realize that this math wasn't just about particles. It hinted at something far more profound, that the fundamental building blocks of the universe might not be point-like particles, but tiny, vibrating strings. Boom, string theory was born. This revolutionary idea transformed our understanding of the universe, suggesting that everything, from the smallest particles to the vast cosmos, is made up of these tiny, vibrating strings. The discovery opened up new realms of possibilities in theoretical physics, forever changing the landscape of science. So what's string theory? It's one of the most fascinating and complex ideas in modern physics. Instead of particles being dots, imagine they're tiny strings. These strings are incredibly small, much smaller than anything we can see with the naked eye. These strings vibrate, and their vibrations create different particles, kind of like how a guitar string makes different notes. Each type of vibration corresponds to a different particle, which means the entire universe could be made up of these tiny, vibrating strings. Here's where it gets wild. String theory isn't just about strings, it's about the very fabric of reality. String theory says the universe has extra dimensions, up to 10 or 11. These dimensions are not the ones we experience daily, like length, width, and height. These dimensions are so tiny, we don't notice them, but they shape how strings vibrate. They influence the properties of particles and forces, making them crucial to the structure of everything around us. Section 3, Real-Life Analogy. Let's dive into an interesting way to understand a complex concept. Think of this soccer ball as a particle. It might seem simple at first glance, but there's more to it than meets the eye. From far away, it looks like a point, just a small dot in the vast expanse of the field. But zoom in close enough, and you'd see it's made of threads, tiny, intricate threads woven together. This is similar to how particles are viewed in string theory. These strings could unify everything, gravity, electromagnetism, and nuclear forces, into one beautiful theory. Imagine all the forces of nature connected by these tiny strings. It's like finding the ultimate cheat code for the universe. This theory could potentially explain the fundamental workings of everything around us, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. Section 4, the big picture. String theory isn't proven yet, it's super hard to test, but it's given us amazing insights into black holes, quantum mechanics, and the origins of the universe. Whether it's the final answer or not, string theory shows how far human imagination can go to understand reality. That's string theory in 3 minutes. If you love this bite-sized dive into the universe, like and subscribe for more. And tell me in the comments what to think of string theory. Stay curious. If you enjoyed this video, please share and follow for more content, and I'll see you next time.